Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. You know the drill. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a singing bowl. Yes, I'm going to be talking to you about Tibetan singing bowls. So, if you want to know more about this, just stick around. I'm going to unbox this now and show you how beautiful it is. I'm very happy and grateful that they sent it to me. Look at what a gift this would make. And when I say what a great gift this would make, it would also make a great gift to you. Remember that you owe yourself special gifts and special moments and love on a daily basis. You have to think of yourself the same way that you think of others, and you have to take care of yourself. I just wanted to throw that in. You're going to get a little cushion that says Tantra Sounds so that you can place the bowl on the top if you're going to be playing it as it is set on top of the table. And I'll show you in a second rather than just explain it. But let me show you what else you get. You're also going to be getting a little bag if you want to store it in the bag. I would not store it in a bag because it's beautiful. Wait till you see it. And your mallet. The mallet is wrapped by a suede leather on one side, and it has the wood on the other side. I'm going to show you this beautiful, beautiful singing bowl. It is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. And one of the things that I like about it is that it has detail both in the inside and it has detail on the outside. It is made of different types of metals. I'm going to put all of that information in the description, but I don't want this video to be excessively long. I want you to actually take and listen to the beautiful sound it makes. Let me tell you, what you have to do is you open your hand like this, and then you can relax your hand. But the reason you're opening it up is because you don't want to have your fingers cover the actual side, because then it won't reverberate and you won't have the sound. So you can hold the mallet either this way, as if you were holding, I don't know what you would hold like this, but you would hold it this way. Some people hold it, not like this, but some people hold it like this. I don't know. I like holding it like this. And then if you want, you can tap it this way. I'm going to do that again. Yeah, that was nice. Or you could simply go around. You don't have to tap it beforehand. It starts vibrating and then you will get the sound. I love it. I really do. I don't know why, but instinctively, as soon as I hear the tone, I want to take a deep breath and exhale. It brings me to a moment in time, which is now. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it makes sense to me. When I hear the tone, I take a nice breath. I feel grateful for the breath and for the moment. I know that might sound silly for other people, but I really do like it. These singing bowls are typically used for meditation purposes, and perhaps that's why it is so prompting for me to take a deep cleansing breath. They're also used, some people use them as a to recuperate health because they say that certain sounds are good for your health. Now, I do know that sounds affect your mood. I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to sit here telling you that this is going to take away your heartburn. I'm not going to say that to you. But I am going to say that sounds, for example, a happy song is going to make you happy, and maybe a sad song might make you sad. This type of sound for me is very fulfilling. Again, it just fills me up and it makes me happy. I don't know if that's going to make me healthy, but happy is always a good thing. So that's this beautiful singing bowl. And like I said, it was sent to me from, here we go, Tantra Sounds, and I will put all of their information in the description below. I hope that you liked this video. Please subscribe, but more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.